Big Boy rested overnight in North Little Rock, making ready for Friday's trip to Poplar Bluff, Missouri. The Google Earth video shows a satellite overview of the central Arkansas metropolitan area, as we zoom down to see the North Little Rock Union Pacific Jenks shop, and across the Arkansas River for today's video, with Big Boy steaming through Little Rock's Union Station, and under the Cantrell Road overpass to cross the river. Sorry, Jim was not able to catch up with Big Boy to get a video of the river crossing. Hope you enjoy the video anyway. Cheers!